Hi, I'm Blake Tucker, Beverage Director at Taste Catering. Happy Negroni Week. Negroni Week is normally a worldwide fundraiser for charitable causes. This year in the US, it is a fundraiser for hospitality workers. And because Taste has its own initiative, Hospitality Helps, we're fundraising for that initiative, which is giving meals to those in need, especially hospitality workers during the pandemic. If you want to participate this week, you can buy one of our 3 Negroni kits. We have a classic Negroni, a Boulevardier, and a smoky Negroni. I'm going to show you today how to make the classic Negroni. In addition to the little bottles, you'll also have your fancy ice cube and an orange that came in your kit. So you'll need a stirring vessel. Half of a shaker works fine if you don't have a glass Uri like this. These little bottles give you about 1.5 servings of a Negroni. So if you've never had a Negroni before, I might suggest you split the serving in half because you may not like the bitterness of the Campari the first time you have this drink. Then again, you might love it. So if you don't like it, you can always reduce the amount of the Campari just a tiny bit. I'm going to do 1 ounce of each just to demonstrate. That is, you have about 1.5 ounces in each of these little bottles. Voila, that's 1 ounce of each ingredient: gin, sweet vermouth, and Campari. I'm going to add a bunch of ice here. And I'm going to stir this. An important little detail with the Hospitality Helps ice cube, you don't want to pour the drink with the ice coming directly out of the freezer. You want to give that ice just a few minutes to come to the same temperature. This cube, now that it's perfectly clear, is an indicator that the entire cube is the same temperature. That, if you do put it in directly from the freezer and pour your drink right over the top, you may break the cube. Now that I have my Hospitality Helps ice cube in my glass, I'm just going to pour this right over the top. Look at that pretty thing. The last step is a little orange twist finish. You want strong orange aroma on the top of your Negroni. And drop it on the side. Look at that. Beautiful Hospitality Helps Negroni. The classic Negroni is this beautiful mixture of complexity, herbaceousness, a little bit of sweetness, a little bit of bitterness. One of my favorite parts about a Negroni, especially on a big cube like this, is that it's going to transform a little bit over the time that you drink it. As it gets more water, more of the complex herbs in all 3 of these ingredients will start to emerge, and you'll have a different taste experience every time you go to take a little sip. Thanks for helping us provide meals to those in need. Cheers.